Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Polite. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Red Robin campfire sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you being here. Like I said, today we're going to be making Red Robin campfire sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of mayonnaise and 3/4 cups of barbecue sauce. That's all there is. Simple stuff. Let's start whipping it up. Alright, get yourself a bowl big enough for your ingredients and put the barbecue sauce in. The mayonnaise, blend it all together. There you go. We're going to come back, take some pictures of it with some tater tots, and we'll talk about it. Don't go away. Got us a tater tot right here. Nice and thick. Holds well to the top. Good. Very good. Sweetness of the barbecue sauce. And creaminess of the mayo. Very simple. Very easy recipe. Onion rings, chicken strips would be good on a burger. Red Robin campfire sauce recipe, if you need it, is down in the description box or the first pinned comment. Don't forget to go over and check out my seasoning shop over on itsonlyfood.biz. Thanks a lot for watching.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the Soul Kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the Soul Kitchen.